So I'm on to my next adventure right now. I'm going to this place called Al Fresco's. The lady at the front desk recommended it to me. She gave me a voucher for a free welcome drink, so I'm looking forward to that right now. So yeah, we'll see how this is gonna go. Actually, now it's gonna go good. I don't know why I'm saying this is how it's gonna go because I know it's gonna be delicious. She recommended it, so we'll see where it's at, prices, and all that other good stuff. Because that's what I'm really looking forward to right now. I am definitely very. Oh, here it is right here. Wow. This is Al Fresco's. Okay, let's see what they got. I think I'm going to have this Al Fresco. Yeah. There's a Pesco sour. Pesco is Peru's alcoholic beverage, or just hard alcohol. And this is chicha. I think it's like their drink that's made with purple corn and sweet, and it's really good. Got shrimp, octopus, or squid. I think it has something else, but I really don't remember. But it looks good. It smells good too. Can't wait to eat this right now. So, just finish up eating. Pretty good. I had some ceviche and some type of rice. Had a pisco sour along with along with, what is that? Chicha. Had a few things of chicha that was actually really tasty. It actually kind of reminded me of Kool-Aid, to be honest. You know, that's kind of surprising too. Now I'm about to head back to like the boardwalk area, see what's going on over there. I did sign up for a bar crawl for tonight as well, so I'm definitely looking forward to going to that tonight. I think that's going to be really fun. It's about 4 hours, so we'll see. A shot at every different bar, so I am beyond ready for that, you know.
Helado se la hizo el helado.
I don't know if you all can see this, but people are down there all on the beach surfing. Got a few over there too, but the majority of them are right in this area down here. Look at the view. Nice view. Check this out. Look at those stairs right over there. Even those right there. The view, everything looks good so far. Check out the popular attraction. Look at this. They got rocks. One of those is like similar to that thing that they do in France and stuff. So got a date on it as well. You want to hold? You want? I am about to go try some guinea pig right now at Al Fresco's, the one place I was at earlier today. So wish me luck. Wish me all the luck in the world. This is a Peruvian snack, fried corn. Look like maybe it has some salt on it. Let me try it. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. This is the guinea pig right here that I am about to try, but with the sangria. So let's just see how this is going to go. Let's just see. Let me try this fruit. Set the camera up straight. Let's try it. It's fried really good. You know what? I don't think I want the skin. Actually, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. This is the national dish of, and it's not that bad. Not bad at all. Welcome back. I just wanted to just talk about my experience with trying the guinea pigs. Initially, when I was going to Peru, I looked up and I saw that their national dish is guinea pig. And when I found that out, I was unsure if I was actually going to eat it at that time or not until I actually landed in Peru and I was actually at a restaurant that had it on their menu. At that point in time, I said, hey, when in Rome, do what the Romans do, and I decided to try the guinea pig. I was happy that it was deep fried, and at this particular restaurant, the way that they prepared it seemed like it was butterflied. Along with that, it didn't come with the head on. I've heard at some restaurants they do actually prepare it with the head off, so I'm happy that the head was not on. If I had to describe the taste, I would say it was similar to maybe eating a rabbit, although rabbit is pretty lean versus the guinea pig. I thought the guinea pig was just a tad bit fatty, but on an overall level, it wasn't bad. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, it was probably a 6. I would definitely try it again, but if I was to try it again, I would probably want to try it baked or even barbecue. Barbecue might be a lot better, but I'm not sure. But whenever I do go back to Peru, if I see barbecue koi on the menu, I probably would try it just to see if it tastes better that way prepared.